Good afternoon. Today is Monday, November 27, 2023, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the STL Sword 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Monday, November 27, 2023. Here are the STL Sword 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Monday, November 27, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Monday, November 27, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.